Good morning. This is Jack from Charting the Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Wednesday, the 13th of November. My disclaimer, I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing, learn from it, transfer it to your own charts. I'm not here to issue trading signals. Right, let's have a look at Bitcoin first. Bitcoin, we didn't really see much of a retracement from the high at all, and certainly it wasn't something you'd notice on the daily charts. On the hourly charts, no current divergence. Possible little double top here, but nothing really suggests that's going to break down. On the bigger picture, we do have a double top here, and we do have a potential support trend line here, which I've been watching and we haven't hit yet. So I am wondering if we might come back and hit that. But looking at the Solana chart, I'm thinking we may well not. Now on Solana, we saw enough of a retrace to actually show up really on the daily charts. If we retest this high here, then I'm thinking we may get some nice looking negative divergence going. Whether that delivers anything, I don't know, because when we saw a breakdown here, wait a second, wrong chart. On the 15-minute chart, we had a breakdown here, and I was thinking that might be forming, decent retracements, of course, get us decent support trend lines, and this has actually given us a channel. This is a rising channel. So one, this looks like a flag which has broken up towards a retest of this high here at 225.30, but two, I'm thinking this may well be a channel, and it may well head directly to channel resistance, which I've got currently in about the 232.5 to 235 area. Now, we've got a big target here, and a retest of this high here at 259.95. And I was talking to Matt a couple of days ago and saying that I had odds on that we'd see that by Christmas. That might be conservative, to be honest. It is really the obvious next target. We've had a power through the previous high at 209, and pretty much a back test of that level, really. So I'm liking the upside here, and I'm thinking we may well be looking at a much higher chance of reaching that target by Christmas. And honestly, I don't think it's going to stop there. So we will see how it goes. Looking at Ethereum, Ethereum finally got up off the mat, so it no longer looks like a bear flag or a triangle forming. We broke the 200 DMA with force, and we could be coming back to back test that. And if so, that is at 2956. So basically, back test of the 3000 area. Short term, though, we have delivered enough that if we see a retest of this high here, we didn't really see this retracement on Bitcoin, but we did see it on Solana and Ethereum. If we see a retest of the highs here, that would get possible daily RSI 14 and RSI 5 sell signals brewing. On the hourly chart, not really a lot to say. We had an RSI 14 sell signal that has made target. Here we had another trend line, and this looks again like a bull flag forming. And a bull flag is always leaning towards seeing a retest of the high. So let's just draw that quickly. If so, I mean, there are other options. You could start forming a larger bull flag. And that wouldn't be an uncommon thing to do. So we'd set up an alternate resistance trend line, and we would see how it went from there. But this has got a pretty good chance, given the way that crypto has been trading, of turning back directly to the high. And if that Solana channel is going to hold, that's probably exactly what it's going to do. So I really like this rising channel. Cryptos are very technical. And a channel like this could last a while. I'm hoping it does, because it will help define where the highs and lows are likely to be. All right, great. In that case, let's have a quick look at questions, of which we have none. Mainly watching the channel here. Likely flags broken up on Ethereum and Solana. Those could expand, of course, into larger flags and do another leg down. But at the moment, we've got this lovely looking channel on Solana. If that holds, we're going to see probably 235 in the next couple of days. And that is what I would like to see. We'll see how that goes. All right, my pleasure as always, guys. And I will catch you guys tomorrow.